talk about this tragedy that has now been reported that led to unfortunate death of an 18-month-old boy and injuries to his mother as a speeding car that ran over an 18-month-old boy and his mother early hours on Sunday, where the duo was said to be sleeping on a footpath when the car ran over them in Mumbai's Wadala area. As per officials, the driver did not appear to be intoxicated, but his blood samples have been sent for testing. And as per the statement of the driver, he was returning home from a family dinner with his parents in the car. And when the car suddenly cut in front of him in an attempt to avoid a collision, he took a sharp right, which led to him losing control of the vehicle. Nilesh is connected with us. Nilesh, unfortunately, the vehicle mounted on a footpath running over the boy and his mother, and the boy unfortunately losing his life.
Well, yes, an absolute tragic incident being reported from Mumbai's Wadala area. The incident is said to be of Sunday early morning hours when the duo, that is the mother and the child, was sleeping on the footpath. Meanwhile, a vehicle which was carrying the driver who was sitting along with his parent was returning back to home. Lost his control over his wheels and ran over the lady sleeping on to the footpath. The incident was to us such a tragic that the child, the 18-month-old, was stuck into the front wheels of the vehicle, and he was later on pulled by the local individuals who reached out to help the family members. The child was taken to the nearest hospital wherein doctors declared him dead. Meanwhile, the mother has also suffered fracture into her left shoulder. The incident has taken to the police station. Later on, multiple sections of the BNS have also been imposed onto the said driver, and he has been currently taken
police who have registered the case FIR against the driver there, and the police have booked the driver also under multiple sections of the BNS, as Nilesh is pointing out. Unfortunate tragedy that is being reported in Mumbai's Wadala. Nilesh, thank you very much for the moment for joining in. With that, we head into a short break.